Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel SFDC Work on Skill. This is Amir Arshad. So in this video, we will try to understand collection in Apex like list, set and map. So first of all, we will introduce like introduction to a collection in Apex. So collection store the multiple item in a single variable. So in the collection, the Salesforce mainly we are using like list, set and map. So importance of collection in Apex in the list first. So first of all, in list set map, we will go to the list in Apex. So it is a collection of similar element in the list, and the list will accept the insertion of duplicate values. Like if you try to insert the value multiple time at the same value, so it will accept. And the list is in order format. Like when you inserted the record, so it will be so in whatever the order format you are inserting the record, it will show on that uh, I mean that value in order format. So first of we will go to the org and we will see how it the list will work in the collection. So let's get start from the org. So if we see, I have to open the NMS window, and I will show you how we'll see the list. So take the example like, we already discussed, it is a collection of similar element. So when we try to insert the element, so it will, and it's have the different types of method. So we have to go one by one. So first of all, I have to go like uh, like a string, list of string, list of string, new, like names is equal to new list of string. So we will add the value. So this is the method I will tell you, like name I'm going to add in this list. So names dot add, so I will add the names here like Amir, and I will add the second names here. So the add is a method in a list. So I'll added the add name, then the third name I will add like one, and name add like Jimset. Any name we can add it. So like let keep it only the three name now, and we have to display like here system dot debug. So I will display here the name list, and I will display name here, names, semicolon. Select this one, execute highlighted. Unexpected list, line number, column number 2. So I think we missed something. Unexpected list 2, line number 2, names dot add Amir Arshad. So this is the name, execute highlighted. So the first line I have selected like example, so it's not executed. Now it's executed. So if we go and check the debug, so see, the first name I entered Amir, the second name I enter Arshad, and the third name I enter Ram. So it will display in order format. And if we try to insert again the same name, so it will accept. So it will supposed to be, I will try to insert one more name, names dot add Sita. If we try to like print it here now, so it will added the Sita also, and we'll try to insert one more name here, names dot add, then again I will try to Ram. Now if we try to print this, so it will show us as it is. Like we go to here and debug here, so see the name list Amir, Arshad, Ram, Sita, and so basically it's accepting the mm, duplicate value also, like Ram, Sita, and Ram. So this is the basic example of the list. So there's the different, it accept the different values also. So I have to give you the another example. So this is the first example. So I have to go for the second example, like age. So this is the string value, and now I'm going to the example one. I will keep it this one, example one, and then I have to go for the example two. Example two. So in the second, I will take the age, supposed to be. I will take age. So like list of integer, list of integer ages is equal to new list of integer, list of integer, list of integer. Then we will discover, we will add the age. So in the age list, I will try to add in the integer format like 20, then semicolon, then I will put the age like here. So I will change here the value like 30, 40, and here age is 50. And if we try to debug here, like control C, control V, and the list of name, the list of age, and we will try to display the ages. If we execute this one, and if we open the developer console, so see how it's aging, like 20, 30, 40, and 50, it's display in the age format. If you try to insert like 40 again, then it will accept. Supposed to be, if I open this one, and if I'm trying to be insert the 50, like 20 again, 20 and 30, and see the order, which whatever the order we are inserting, it will accept same in order, same order format. We execute now, and we will debug this, the first one. So 20, 30, 40, 50, then 20, 30. So it's accepting the duplicate value. This is the second example, and we are using the same method called add. here the different methods, so we will go one by one. So this is the second example. So if we try to go for the third example, so we will go for the third example, like third example number 3. So I have go to for the third example. So in third example, again I have to go for, so we have to practice as much as, so supposed to be I will show you the list of city, list of city. So list of city means city is a string, so I will declare here the string is equal to new string, and we will put here the city. So we will add the city name here, cities. So I will be type here the city like this dot city, then city dot add is equal to HYD Hyderabad. Then I have to type city like Mumbai, MUMBAI, Mumbai. Then I have to type city like Delhi, Delhi city dot add Pune, then city dot add Jamshedpur. So these are the city. So if we try to debug this, so it will give the city name, all the city names. The list of city. Okay, then we will display a city. If we try to display, so it will display all the city name here. So this is called the list of add method. So I have give the example of this all method, or this all example of related to add method. Method add, add method. So different, we will use the second method called, so in the add method we will add like index and value also. So supposed to be if you try to insert here like Hyderabad, then Mumbai, then Delhi, or like if you try to change, like I want to try to put Jamshedpur in the first place. So in this case we have to give the value and index and value. So if I try to give the index and value like city dot add, then index 0 and value like index 0, like index 0 I have to give the value is called Jamshedpur, then comma, then see it what will happen. Execute highlighted, then go for the debug, then debug log. So see the Jamshedpur in the last position also, and we inserted the value in first position. So it shows. So you can you if you try to insert any place, you can insert with the help of the index and value. So I hope this the method is clear from add. So I have to go for the other method, like example, this all example with add method. Here is the one more example called size. So how much size, how many cities there, so we'll count like size. So what will, here is the second method. I'll see you the method of the list. So method 2, I will say that the method is size, size, size. So it will show you the size of the list. So supposed to be, if we declare like the integer count is equal to integer count and the city dot size, city dot size. If I give the city dot size, and if we try to print the counts, so it will give us the how many city we enter here, the size of the city. So we will display the count, and we will change here the number of city. So it will show you the complete size of. So we will remove this one as of now, we will add later on. And if we display here, and if we go to debug, see the total cities size is 6. It means the total cities, if we go to the cities, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So the total size means the number of cities is here the 6. So I think two method is enough for the today. So we will talk in the second video the other methods for the list, and also we will see the set and map also. When we go for the map, it is very interested, and the map, it's a little bit complex. So we'll try to understand one by one to all. And if we do practice and practice, so it will become easy. So please try to do the as much as you can try to do practice. Thank you.